Yuma, Arizona. March the 11th, 2026. I cannot believe the amount of illegal motor vehicle noise that is so pervasive across the United States. I've been traveling across the 48, and CFR 40 Part 205 was initiated back in the 80s to protect the American citizen from illegal motor vehicle noise, regulating motor vehicle noise down to an OEM factory installed requirement of 80 dBA. That responsibility to enforce that was delegated by the feds to the states back in the 80s. In Arizona, Florida, Texas, California, Arkansas. Did I mention Texas? My gosh, you people, they suck. The law enforcement entities in the United States are so impotent. This is a pervasive mental illness. Those who illegally modify a motor vehicle to emit noise greater than OEM, that which is safe, legal for the American citizen, and you allow these people to operate on our public roadways, you allow the manufacturers of these illegal exhaust systems to openly manufacture, distribute, retail, install, and you allow the thugs in our society to openly operate them on our public roadways. This is a mental illness, and I don't know what it's going to take to motivate the feds to come down on the states and start restricting transportation funding for those of you who refuse to protect us. Yuma, Arizona, you suck. Your law enforcement sucks. They literally refuse to protect you. Last night, trying to sleep here, the amount of automobile and illegal truck and motorcycle noise was just off the charts. You people who illegally modify your motor vehicles and come out here on a public roadway and abuse our most innocent, you suck. Personally, I would love to see you handcuffed to a tree and caned, your little butt caned. It's wrong. It's wrong what you're doing. You're a sorry group of people. A sorry faction of our society.